This meditation can and will change your life. If you listen to this meditation for 22 days, miracles will start to come into your life like never before. Get ready for an incredible manifestation. All of your dreams are about to come to you easily, effortlessly, and with grace. Start in a comfortable position. You can lay on your back or sitting up straight. Close your eyes and start to bring your awareness to your breath. As you inhale, expanding your heart center with the inhale, and as you exhale, release any tension that you might be holding in your body. Inhaling deeply, expanding your heart center. Exhaling completely, release all the tension and let it go. One more time, like we're washing your body clean from the inside out with your breath. Inhaling deeply, expand your heart with the breath. And exhale completely, let all the air melt out of you. Now visualizing a bright, radiant light, luminescent, the light of 30 trillion suns entering into your body. The light is entering through the soles of your feet and traveling upwards through your legs, through your hips, all the way to the very base of your spine now. And the light turns a radiant color red. Beautiful red light circling around your root chakra, bringing balance and harmony into your root energy. You feel a sense of harmony in your home, your family, your community, and your physical body now. Any stress or disharmony that you may have experienced in the past is now completely resolved for you. Feeling connected to Mother Earth through the soles of the feet, your roots are growing deeper and stronger as you feel more connected to this physical world and your physical body and manifesting your dreams into this physical reality. And now allowing the light to travel upward, it turns a radiant color orange, bright orange light circling around your sacral chakra just above the root, circling around in a clockwise direction, bringing balance and harmony into your sacral energy. The sacral energy is the energy of playfulness, creativity, sensuality, sexuality, and financial flow. See any old disharmony in those areas of your life completely dissolving into nothing now. Feeling complete harmony, balance, and expansion in the area of financial stability and flow, creativity and playfulness, sensuality and sexuality. All of the juices are flowing freely, expanding as we breathe. And now allowing the light to travel upward to the third chakra, solar plexus. The light turns a radiant yellow color like the sun shining from within you, circling around in a clockwise direction, bringing balance and harmony into your solar plexus. You feel empowered from the inside out. Shining like the sun, you feel confident and creative. You courageous and bold. You feel above no one and below no one. All are one, and you know this. So releasing any self-doubt, self-criticism, fears, or anything that's been blocking your radiance from shining out into the world. Feel the power radiating from within you as you embrace your true higher self expression in this beautiful world through your divine essence. And now the light travels upward to the fourth chakra, the center of your heart. The light turns a beautiful radiant color green, emerald green, circling around in a clockwise direction, bringing balance and harmony into your heart center. You feel your heart expanding with love as you give and receive love freely, openly, and in limitless capacity. Feeling deeply connected to your heart center, you send love out to all beings in the world. Love and compassion streams through you and to you endlessly, infinitely, and eternally as your true and divine nature. You feel connected to yourself, love for yourself, love for your family, love for your friends, your community, your co-workers, the strangers from around the world that are all interconnected as one huge global human family. You feel your heart connecting to all 7.8 billion people on this earth, sending love and compassion to every single being, all of the hearts in the world, feeling connected to the divine family of loving light through your heart right now. Sending healing energy, forgiveness, and compassion for all beings you've had encounters with in this world that may have had any disharmony in the past. Completely releasing all memory of disharmony, forgiving all beings, including yourself, completely and permanently now. Feeling your heart expanding 5,000 times larger than the room that you're currently in, out into the world, out into the universe, and connecting to the very source of life itself. Feeling that expansive energy. Now the light travels upward, turning a brilliant color blue, circling around your throat chakra, bringing balance and harmony to your communication center, your Christ consciousness. You know your purpose for this life. You speak your truth from your heart. You are intuitively guided from the source to speak exactly what needs to be said, no more and no less. Every word that comes from your mouth uplifts, inspires, and brings more love into the world. You feel connected to your divine mission, your divine purpose, and you are living to the fullest capacity of your purpose in this life. Now allowing the light to travel upward, turning an indigo, purplish blue color, circling around in a clockwise direction, bringing balance and harmony into your third eye center. Your intuition is expanding rapidly. You're feeling connected to the infinite source of life within you. When you close your eyes, you see the truth within you. You see the vision for your life. You're able to see all that you need to see and be guided intuitively from within. Your inner voice is clear and strong and powerful. This inner voice, inner guidance is always there, guiding every step of your journey. because of this powerful intuitive guidance system that you have available to you, you always make the right decisions. You always know exactly what to do, and you are eternally guided every step of your journey to fulfill your divine purpose and your mission in this life. And now the light travels upward, turning golden white light, circling around the crown chakra in a clockwise direction, bringing balance and harmony into your crown. You feel connected to the infinite source of life, the source that created all life. You feel connected and guided every single moment of your day. Downloading eternal wisdom into your consciousness, you have access to all knowing, all wisdom. All of the answers stream to you and through you every moment and every breath that you take. Feeling connected to the universe, expanding out beyond the physical realm into the invisible realm of the Akashic energy of the universe. Feel connected to trillions of stars, all of the galaxies, our solar system, all of the powerful energy of the planets, the power of the sun and the moon, all of the energy of the universe and the source of life that streams through you and to you at all times. Feel connected and aligned with your divine essence, your soul purpose, your mission in this life. As you are guided and aligned, every step of your journey is blessed infinitely with abundance and blessings and miracles every day of your life. Taking a deep breath into your heart, exhaling, releasing any last tension from your body. Relax deeply into this state of integration. As you integrate this full blessed experience, will circle around your body with a rainbow light, creating a cocoon around your body, balancing and bringing harmony into every cell of your being, bringing health and well-being into every cell of your being, healing you with the radiant light of love from the source of creation. Feel held, feel hugged. You are seen, you are loved. You are loved so infinitely at all times. Know without a shadow of a doubt that you are always supported by the infinite source of life. Feel that loving support around you and within you now. As we slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body, and back to the space in which you are currently residing in. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and feel the connection to your physical reality as you integrate yourself back into this place and time. Come back to this meditation every day for the next 22 days and watch your life completely transform. Witness the miracles unfolding for you every step of the journey. Feeling aligned and divine, radiant light streaming through every cell of your being. You will start to see miracles and love, abundance and joy opportunities to be your highest self every moment of every single day from now on.